Spring is in the air and we're good to go. It's all part and parcel of farm life, really. It's just how you earn a beer at the end of the day. King Billy's going to herd up the sheep. Ain't you, King?
Yeah, with a bit of luck.
Come on, you know what you got to do. Oh, mate's trying to ride already. He'll just lie down now. Because he'd probably lie down too. Right there, boys?
Poor little darlings. Poor little darlings.
Another day on tools. What have we got going on? It's a fair bit to do today. Got to ring tails, crutch sheep, fix the back shed, light the bonfire, mow around the sites. It's bloody go, go, go. And spring is in the air and the cats are bloody in a prelim. So I'm up and about.
And I'm getting my hair done.
Again.
I don't think I'll get my nails done. I'll do that back in Melbourne. And it's Father's Day tomorrow and I don't have any gifts.
Oh, we don't need gifts.
So I need to go and see what's around town.
No, we've got enough stuff. We don't need anything. Spring is in the air and we're good to go.
Yeah, and we got some exciting news. What happened yesterday?
We sold our offices inside the factory.
Yeah.
So that's a little piece of the puzzle that needed to happen before we take off, and that has officially happened. So we're bloody wrapped. So it's a matter of packing all that up.
Mm-hmm. Folding it up.
Sorting out all the furniture that was in there and getting the factory ready to rent out.
Yeah. So over the next couple of weeks you'll probably see us pack up the container, fold it up and get it ready to move on to its new home. And then Troy will be busily repainting the floors, walls, tidying up.
There's a lot to do, but we want to bring you guys on the journey because it's not all about travelling. It's about bits and pieces that need to happen for you to be able to do it. So that's where we're at. That's what we're going to bring you guys along.
And do you want to tell them about the lambie?
Yeah, we lost a lamb.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, there's a fox around, and because I'm not down here full time, it's very difficult to be able to shoot it. So bloody bugger. But anyway, Dad's had Buster on the job, and Buster's been out there working hard.
Yep.
And keeping the other lambs safe. So
yeah, so we had 6, now we've got 5. My God, Tex has got the biggest stick.
Tex,
Where's your stick?
he just goes swanning through.
Where's your stick?
Have a look at the size of it.
Texie, come.
What you got? Tex.
And you got a bit of gardening to do, Dale.
Yeah, got a bit of mowing, a bit of whippersnipping, a bit of spraying.
We don't have enough time. Tex!
That's all right. I mean, good boy, Tex. You're breaking it up for us. Oh, it's all part and parcel of farm life, really.
Look at the weather.
Stunning. I'd much rather be doing this than spraying furniture. I'll give you that tip.
Yeah. Although we've just put a couch and side chair in the van to come back to the factory. To come back to the factory for some respraying.
Yeah, there's always, yeah.
And we've always wanted to spray that front door, Dale.
When she says we, she means me. She's wanted it, I've got to do it.
Yeah, that's true. All right, I gotta go. I gotta go hairdressers. There you go.
Have fun, sweetheart.
There's a spare battery. No. He's got the cooties.
Got a cold sore.
Bye, kids.
All right, let's get stuck into it. This is how you earn a beer at the end of the day. How you going there, buddy?
Yeah, good.
So, King Billy's been hard at it cleaning up all the caravan sites, and we use all this for kindling. So we'll break it up, stack it up, and then we'll move on to the next job. Buster boy. Oh boy. Nothing like a bonfire. What you doing, Coos? Alright. Finished off a few jobs, whippersnipped. King Billy's just he's just doing some spraying now. We've got to fix this roof. Have a look at it. She's done a right roll number on herself. So the idea is I'll get the excavator bucket up there, lift it up and try to put a new piece across. So there we go. Job's done. Now King Billy's going to herd up the sheep, aren't you, King?
Yeah, with a bit of luck.
And we need to get them into the sheds so then we can wring their tails. And good luck, King. We'll push them in here. Just gives us a bit more of a fighting chance to be able to catch them. This will be interesting. That's the way, King. Keep pushing them down. It's not helping that I'm standing out here because they can see me. Stop there. Come on, you know what you got to do. Oh, mate's trying to ride already. That was a success. Can you take the tool out? Yeah, so we've got the little rings. Look like Fruity Loops. If you're a bit squirmish, you probably might want to go and have a cup of tea or something. if you don't want to, if you don't want to watch this, that's fine. And the reason why we take their tails off is because we don't want them to get fly blown during the summer months, and we're spring now, so a few months we'll be in summer, and the last thing that you want is what happens is they crap and all the crap gets stuck around their tail, and then they get fly blown and then maggots and all that sort of stuff. So that's the reason why you take the tails off. The reason why you denut the rams, the little baby rams, is family because jewels. Huh?
The family jewels.
Yeah, the family jewels, Bert and Ernie's, is because you don't want heaps of rams in your flock, and also when you want to eat the meat, there's too much testosterone in there if you leave the knackers on. So we'll be removing, and unfortunately I think we've got about 4 or 5 rams, don't we? Well, we've got 1 female, so yeah. Anyway, let's get stuck into it. you get hold of the agates, drop them down. Just like that. And what he'll do, he'll just lie down now, because he's, yeah, you'd probably lie down too. But his tail, in the next few weeks, his tail will come off. Buddy. Good boy. Right, this is a female.
Yep.
So she's good. She's pretty big too.
Yeah.
For us.
Yeah, they're growing really quick.
We just got to do her tail.
Yep.
Big boy too, aren't you?
Yeah. Yeah, they're growing pretty quick.
But if you leave it too long, you just can't get them.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's man down.
Yep.
Yeah, so one female, eh?
Aye?
One female.
Yeah. Okay. All good, yeah.
And that's it. You right there, boys? Come on. Jobs are done. Time to watch the footy. Oh, now Misso comes out. Could have done with your help, sweetheart. Yeah. Hey.
What did Daddy do to you?
Yeah, I know. It seems
Oh, Papa.
it seems cruel, but it's a lot crueler if they get fly blown. Trust me. The other ones get up, yeah.
I know, Bubba. I know, my Bubbas. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, sweetheart. There's your darling. Poor little darlings. Poor little darlings. Alright, dinner time. Barbecue tonight. It's starting to get a bit cold, so once that sun goes down, you can feel it. So we'll go get ready for the footy. Hey Kizzy. Hey, sexy boy.
You got cold since that sun.
I just said that. As soon as that sun went, it's just gone behind the clouds.
Just sat down to have a beer and watch the footy. No. Come and hang some pictures.
I'm getting the house ready for footy. Okay, this needs to go outside.
Yeah, you're throwing it out.
Yeah. Can you help me, please?
Oh, Jesus Christ. That's ridiculous. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Fuck. What's that?
Watch it! Don't, you're dropping all the salt.
Mate, I can't swallow heavy as. That is like the heaviest thing ever.
I think it's about 10, 15 kilos, 20 kilos.
Heavier.
Jeez.
Just leave a trail of salt.
I wasn't expecting it to be so heavy.
That's why I got it on film, because I lifted it and I'm like, I can't carry that out there.
Well, it's solid salt, isn't it?
Yeah.
Under the bus.
How would you spend your Saturday night? Alright, this one's got to go.
Not doing this.
So the budgie's going to come up here. Only the budgie doesn't have anything to hang it on. Oh god. Hold on. Just a few cobwebs.
So the budge.
Yeah.
The budgie's not going to fit there. Oh, look at that. Pretty.
It's not centered.
Which way's it got to go?
It needs to go in between those two pins. Just get rid of that cobweb.
Perfect.
Let's have a look.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Yeah, and you don't want to cover on the light, so.
This is why I get you on the tools, darling.
Tony's over being on the tools. Just quietly.
Beautiful. See, you're natural at this.
I'm a natural at drinking beer too, and watching the footy.
Oh my goodness.
It's got to go up a little bit.
Oh my god. I said he was a natural.
You spoke too soon.
I know. Got bloody microwaves beeping. Alright, this mirror has to go somewhere. So, I was thinking maybe here would be nice.
Does anyone else's missus do this to them? They've worked all day, whippersnipping, crutching sheep, bonfires, mowing lawns, fixing roofs, sit down, crack a beer. Oh darling, can you come in and put up a couple of photo frames for me? I'm like, how many's a couple? Just bring as many screws as you got. She goes.
And you know what? This is why we celebrate Father's Day.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Because
it's Father's Day weekend.
It's Father's Day tomorrow, not today, darling. What do you think? Hey? You got Caterpillar? Have you got Caterpillar? Oh, shipwreck, you're tired, darling. You're tired, my love. Jacko, look. Look at them all.
See the local meat? Local sausages done?
No, those ones you had in the fridge. I think they're from Aldi.
I got them, yeah.
I got the hamburgers and the chops.
Yep, beautiful.
Nash, we thought that when they were 42 points up. The Giants, you figure they're going to come again. Cadman.
Bye.